Hello everyone, this is the next video in the Java Full Stack Developer video series. In this video, we will learn about data type in MySQL. There are 4 types of data in MySQL: Numeric, String, Datetime, and Enum. Let's explore the data types of each category. But first, we need to understand memory size. The common units of measurement are bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. A bit is the basic unit of binary computing, representing 2 states, 0 or 1. Therefore, 1 bit can store 2 values. Next, we have the byte. 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. And next we have the kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is made up 124 bytes. And so on for megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. You should understand this information to estimate the data size, allow you to design the database for optimal storage capacity. Now, let's learn about numeric data types. This is the table of the type, the storage bytes, and the minimum and maximum value for the size and unsize. For example, we have tinyInt data types have 1 byte for storage in the memory, and the range of the value inside it is from -128 to 127, and for unsize from 0 to 255. And next we have a small int with 2 bytes, and the minimum value signed from the -32,768 to 72,067, and so on for the unsigned. You can see the other types in this table by pausing the video. Next, we have a sum real numeric. Float is made of 4 bytes, and double with 8 bytes. Next is the string data type. We have 2 types of data type for the string, char and varchar. The full name is char for character, and the varchar, variable character, means length is not fixed. Mark length, char has 255 bytes, and varchar 65,535 bytes. And for length, the char fixed size in memory. It means, for example, when we define a char with mark length is 10, the value j here will use 10 cells in memory. And also JEngine is also use 10 cells in memory. But for the varchar, the length depends on the value. For example, varchar with maximum 10, J need 4 cells in memory, and JEngine need 10 cells in memory. Do you see the difference? Okay, and next, the speed. The char is faster than varchar. Day and time. The format of day is here. The Y here represent for year with 4 characters. After that we have month and day. The day is used for only day, and the time is used for only time. Datetime is a combination of day and time. Enum, you can see the example here. The enum saves a list of value. Mean when you use this in the database, the data in this field must in this list, male or female. This is enum. Now we will practice some new statements in this lesson. Today we will use 2 new statements, one for database and one for table. We have a drop database if exists JDB. This is used to delete a database if it already exists. This is useful to avoid errors when trying to drop a database that may or may not exist. The syntax looks like this. If I don't use if exit here, when I click on the lightning bolt icon here, you can see the error. Oh, sorry. Click again, and you can see the error because now the database is already deleted. So when I click again, it's still error because the database is not exist now. So to avoid the error, you need to put if exists in this state. So now when you run, it just shows you a warning here. And when you call the statement create database JDB, you can run it. First time, it's successfully. But if you run it again, it shows you an error because now the database is already exist. So if you want not error, you need to put if not exist in here. So when you run it, it just shows you a warning. And you can do the same with the table. Drop table. For example, I will use the customer table here. You can run it and see. Drop table. No, sorry. I will run this command first to create the database, and I will use the JDB to select the database. Click here and you see unknown the table Jade customers. Now the table is not exist, so you can't drop a table. So you need to put the if exists here. It will show you a warning, and you can write the create table customer. You need to put some column here, maybe ID in, and click run. Okay, it's a set because the table is not exist. But if you run it again, it shows you an error because the table now is already exist. So you need to put if not exist here. So now it will show you a warning again. Okay, I think you can understand the statement to create, drop the table and the database with the if not exist or if exist here. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.